Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Kohli. Since the day Corona started in my loving country India, this thought was always in my head that what's next? What's the new normal? Corona has taught us so many lessons in today's time. It has changed the way we live, the way we do business, the way we communicate. In this video, I have tried to put a lot of stuff together in order to understand post-COVID impact on India and its implications on each sector. Please do watch this video till the end as all aspects are linked to each other. So let's start. Will mask become part of our life? What about work from home? What about upswing in the online education? What about reduction in commercial space leasing due to work from home? What about our startups? What about our Make in India dream? What about our buying habits? What about surge in poverty? What about change in consumer behaviors? What about impact on the pharma sector, on the IT industry, insurance industry? What about future import exports? What about tax collection, GST cuts? What about issues related to the migrant labor? What about turnaround in the e-commerce industry? ऐसे ही ढेरों सवाल और ढेरों जवाब. ऐसा लगता है कि सब कुछ रुक कर भी जैसे सब कुछ चल रहा है और सब कुछ चल कर भी सब रुका हुआ है. आइए थोड़ा समझ लेते हैं कोरोना इम्पैक्ट ऑन द इंडियन इकोनॉमी. Indian GDP is projected to be between 1.5% to 2.8% this year. These projections are as per reputed sources like IMF, World Bank, Goldman Sachs, and Moody's. This scenario keeps changing on everyday basis. Indian government and RBI is taking all possible measures to contain this collapse. It seems that much anticipated economic relief package 2.0 will be announced as soon as the lockdown ends on 3rd May. आइए थोड़ा समझ लेते हैं कोरोना इम्पैक्ट ऑन सडन इंक्रीज इन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. Since the beginning of this year till end of March, India's employment rate was around 40-42% on average. But in April, after lockdown, it had a massive fall and currently it sits around 29% in rural India and 25% in urban India. Let's understand the impact on the industrial production too. Massive fall is seen in the consumption for petroleum products. From last 3 years, demand used to vary between 1 to 8%, and since beginning of April, consumption for petroleum products fell to minus 17%. Big drop is seen in the power generation too. Due to less demand, from last 3 years, power generation used to vary between around 1 to 8%, and since lockdown, consumption for power generation also fell to minus 8%. Now same scenario goes for the production of finished steel too. Huge fall of minus 27% is seen in this sector due to lockdown. Let's understand the impact on our agriculture sector too. This is a peak time of harvest for Rabi crops. Corona spread havoc on the agriculture and on our farmers too. Farmers are our lifeline. Due to lockdown, there is a scarcity of labor and harvesting machines. There is a supply chain disruption and procurement issues at mandis. However, government seems very concerned about agriculture sector. Yesterday only it was confirmed in the press conference that 17,986 crores was sent directly to the farmers' accounts after the lockdown. Farmers have been given waivers during the lockdown. As per meteorological department, we are expecting good monsoon this year. So this should also help in the upcoming months. Let's understand the impact on aviation sector. It is visible that aviation sector will be badly impacted due to corona, expecting massive amount of job losses. There will be a demand reduction which will lead to revenue impact on the airlines. This sector will be impacted by the expected dip in the corporate travel also. This is a time to fix our structural problems such as ATF, which is aviation turbine fuel. It should be brought under GST regime as it will ensure a level playing field for the domestic airline industry. All airlines are anyways in touch with the aviation ministry, so we should leave the final decision to the respective authorities. Let's understand the impact on the real estate sector. This sector was already struggling since quite some time now. I believe that Corona added a fuel to the fire in these times of distress. It is expected that there will be a further delay in project's completion. There can be an increase in the construction cost also because India is dependent a lot on China for the steel production, and there can be a reduced steel production in both China and India due to this ongoing lockdown. I think there will be a difficulty in getting labor back to the metro cities after the lockdown ends. It can take longer to start the projects again. There will be a depressing consumer sentiment because people will think twice before committing to the loan or making a down payment. A ray of hope maybe sits with the NRIs in these distressed times, as NRIs can get a better value of money due to better rupee conversion against dollar. Let's understand impact on the IT sector. It is expected to receive project cancellations from the companies or MNCs due to their own revenue impact. I believe it will be difficult to win new fresh deals soon. Work from home aspect can lead to delays in the project delivery timings. Let's understand impact on the environment. Actually, very positive impact is seen during these bad times on our environment. Seems that our earth is breathing. Massive drop in air pollutants like PM 2.5 or PM 10 is seen in almost all major cities across India. We are experiencing fresh air and clean rivers. It is like a blessing in disguise. At last, let's understand the impact on tourism sector. Actually, this sector is also expected to struggle a lot in the coming months. As per tourism authorities, there will be around 38 million direct and indirect job losses in this sector. There will be an adverse impact on the hotel industry and on the overall MICE industry. I believe a lot of emphasis will be given on the domestic tourism during this bad times. These are the unprecedented times which none of us had seen before and don't want to see it in the future too. Don't forget, India is a consumption driven market, so it will bounce back stronger and better. All the financial experts are indicating that India and China will be the first one to come out of this mess. We are so proud of our corona warriors. We thank and salute Indian government and our state governments. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.